I found your old cassette under my seat, a cracked blue label and a faded red crease. The spool was curled up like it knew my hand. One click, then your laughter ran back through the band, and the house came back in a single chord. Your name on the mailbox, the screen door, the porch. Take me back to the blue front steps and the cheap screen lock. Take me back when we ran too fast and the summer got caught. Dust on the dashboard, sun on your jeans. We bit into peaches and talked in between. Your mom's yellow dishes, the dent in the lane, that old fan spinning like it knew my name. And I swear I was there when the night went soft, when your voice hit the dark and the dark held off. Take me back to the blue front steps and the cheap screen lock. Take me back when we ran too fast and the summer got caught. Now the same road bends by the empty lot where the oak tree leaned and the fence line stopped. I rolled down the window, let the hurt ride through. Not everything gone ever leaves me true. Take me back to the blue front steps and the cheap screen lock. Take me back when we ran too fast and the summer got caught. If I close my eyes, I can taste that ear, warm on my tongue, still bright, still near. I drive with the windows up and your name on my tongue. Still tastes like rain on glass in a town that never sleeps. Your shadow in the rear view slips back into the dark. I keep one hand on the wheel